guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about making this vegan Parmesan that I am absolutely obsessed with. It is something that we always keep in our refrigerator. We keep it for pretty much everything. We put it on our pasta. It's really good on wraps or salads, but it's definitely something that when we run out of, we always make another batch. So I'm going to show you, it's super simple. It has 4 ingredients. It has almonds, nutritional yeast, sea salt, and garlic powder. And then you put it in a food processor, which I have a small one right here. I put everything in and I keep it in a glass jar. Like I talked to you about in a previous episode, I keep glass jars for everything. So I just keep a glass jar of it in our refrigerator, and we always have it when it's ready to go. Okay, so this is basically what it is. It's 1 cup of almonds. We always get organic. We normally always buy in glass when we can, or on the bulk wall, but unfortunately where we get our groceries from, they don't sell the almonds on the bulk wall. But our cashews and all that stuff, I'll talk to you in another episode. I get these Muslim bags that I fill up instead of having to contribute to plastic. They're easy, they're reusable, they're washable. I'll talk to you about them in another episode. But anyway, so I can only get this in plastic, unfortunately. But it's 1 cup of almonds. Then 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. A 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of also sea salt. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, not really measure it, which you will see when I start doing my recipes. I do not measure anything. I'm really bad about that. But for this, to show you guys, it's a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. All right, that's everything. Put the cap on. All right. So you want to leave it like a little like choppy. You don't want it to be pureed completely. So it kind of has that Parmesan texture. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. And I store that in the glass jar, like I said, and it keeps for a really long time. There's really nothing in it that's going to go bad. So yeah, it's really good on pasta, salads. Those are probably our pretty much like 2 go-tos. Pasta and salad. Every time we make pasta, we put it on our pasta. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much again for tuning in. And if you could, please like this episode and subscribe to our channel. That would be wonderful. We really look forward to having you guys, all of our episodes to come. We have so much to share with you guys. I hope you have a great weekend.